Welcome! As I mentioned in my caramelized banana video, today I will explain one of the most encountered reactions in cooking, the Maillard reaction. For that purpose, I will make a traditional Ottoman dish called kirde kebabı. This food is attributed to both the cities of Bursa and Izmir, so I am not sure where it truly belongs. However, it is known that Evliya Çelebi mentioned this kebab in his renowned Seyahatname as a dish that was made in Bursa. I think this recipe is very suitable for explaining Maillard reaction because lots of such reactions take place from cooking the meat to making the crepes, which can be observed through the browning of food throughout the video. Like caramelization, Maillard reactions are also non-enzymatic browning reactions. However, it is much more complex than caramelization. The process starts with forming a glucosamine through a sugar-amine condensation, in which the carbonyl group of a glucose sugar reacts with the amine group in a protein or amino acid. After that, Amadori rearrangement takes place, which is a spontaneous isomerization reaction that leads to the formation of a ketosamine called Amadori product. By the way, an isomerization reaction is a reaction that converts one molecule into another molecule with a different structural arrangement, but with the same molecular formula. As both molecules have the same molecular formula, they are called isomers. Lastly, Amadori compounds can react to form several different products such as melanoidins that give the food its color.